Hi guys, so this is my analysis update on GU guys. What am I expecting on GU? Like we can see that GU was dropping to the downside. I skipped two scenarios on GU. I said if you're gonna continue to push to the upside on GU, then we might probably get to my daily time frame, my daily imbalance, which is 1.236 8 9, around that area right there. That is if I'm to see more momentum of a buy. But as we can see that we broke the trend line right there. We broke the trend line, giving us an impulse instead of a correction. I was expecting a continuation down to this target right here. So I said there's a possibility that we might push up a little bit to my 78.6% fib level, but as you can see that we started rejecting around my 61.8% fib level, and we had this beautiful drop. Beautiful drop. So let's see how many pips the drop. The drop was around from here to here, about 55 pips, and that was beautiful. Then if you extended it, because I was seeing more momentum of sell, so I extended right to my 61.8% fib level, and that was where I took my TP, which is around 77 pips. That was a beautiful drop, guys. That was a beautiful drop. So I said and that's the reason why I used to saying, like, it depends on the momentum I see around my 27% fib level will determine if I'm going to take it to my 61.8% fib level. If you've been watching my videos, you know that majority of the time I take my profit out of negative 27% fib level. But if I see more momentum, then I might probably take it to my TP2, which is always my 61.8% fib level. And because of this momentum right here, I was like, okay, I think we still have more momentum to push to the downside. So I decided to leave my TP to my second TP, and it eats perfectly well, which is about 77 pips, which was beautiful, guys. That was a beautiful trade. So now let's see what we are looking on GU, guys. I'm just gonna delete all this previous analysis and just realize on a more cleaner chart so that it won't be too confusing. Okay, let's see. Delete that. Let me go to a bigger time frame just to do top-down analysis, and let's see the overall. We see that we are still on a downtrend, guys. We're still on a downtrend. So based on this current action right here, let's delete that one here. You can see I can now draw a new trend line right around here just to show that we have break of structure right here. Okay, and we can see that. Now let's go to a smaller time frame. Now I see more of a down move, right? Just because of that, you can see that we are currently on a down move. I'm gonna put something here. So I'm gonna use my fib right around here just to see. Let me go to 4-hour time frame to be able to draw my. Let me go to a 1-hour time frame. Okay, to be able to draw my fib a little bit better. Let's see, guys. So now I'm gonna draw, because I think we're gonna, because of this engulfing candle here, right, and we're still below this trend line, so I think we're gonna retest just around this area right here and continue to push to the downside. That is what I'm seeing. So I can put like a daily fib right here just to indicate for me that we are on a daily fib around the area. Okay, so I can use a fib right here giving me point A to point B. Let's see, let's go to 4-hour time frame. Okay, all right. Let's change the color. Okay, So now let's see what we are looking at right here. Okay, so now overall on GURI, I'm expecting a push to the downside, but as of right now, let's see how the market plays, because my first zone that I'm looking at is around this area right here. It's my first zone that I'm looking at, which is 50% fib level. Let's see how we react around that area before we now see what next. So we might start acting around that area, or we might get to my 61.8% fib level right around here, or my 78.6% fib level. We might actually get them. So let's see, because we can see that there is this break of structure around this area right here, which would still have an imbalance right there. So that is my my thoughts, guys, that we might actually get there, but let's just be patient and see how that goes. So this probably will be my first point of interest. Then if I still see more momentum of a buy, then I'll possibly come to my 78.6% fib level, because we can see there is this imbalance right here that hasn't been filled. So we might get there before we now continue to push to the downside. So let's see how it reacts around this, my first point of interest. Then if I still see more momentum, I'll probably look at my 61.8% fib level. Then if I still see momentum of a buy, then I can look for my point of interest around 78.6% fib level before we now continue to zoom to the downside. And for my target for the down move, this will be my possible TP right here. So that is my possible TP right around here. My second TP is here, because we might get to this level right here. So guys, let's see how that plays out. I'm just gonna play my scenario right here, since we can see and think we may come here, then push to the downside. Change the color. So guys, that is my thoughts on GU, guys. Hope you find it helpful. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And I'll see you in my next analysis, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.